There. Otherwise when you screw your nut on, it will screw off. Bish bash bosh. Tip of the day. I don't know what PTFE tape this is. This is like a budgie PTFE tape. What is it, Lee? Look how thin it is.
Well, it's the same as your stuff.
Is it? Is it? See how I'm wrapping it? That way, yeah? Because if you wrapped it the other way, when you screw this nut on, the nut would unthread the PTFE. Because we're wrapping it that way, so when we screw the nut on, it's going the same way as we're wrapping it, and it's getting tighter and tighter. That way, when we put enough PTFE tape on this and we tighten it up, we jam that is never going to split. Ever. Ever on a month for some days. Yeah? So you just remember that, lads. Remember, it's just a bit of a pain with that big spigot on it.